How to solve WhatsApp OTP code not coming. If any day you are trying to use WhatsApp and your WhatsApp OTP code is not coming in your mobile phone, then just don't worry. Just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, tap on WhatsApp for a while. After that, you'll see a screen like this. After that, you have to go to the I option out there. And when you tap on the I option, you'll see the interface of app information. After you see the interface of app information, you have to scroll down and go to the option of storage. After that, you have to check whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to clear down the cache. After that, you have to go back. After you go back, you'll see a screen like this, and you have to go to the option of notification. You have to check whether allow notification has been enabled or not. If not, you have to allow notification, and you also need to allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions. After going to the option of permission, you have to check whether camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, notification, phone, photos and videos have been allowed or not. If they have not been allowed, you have to allow them as well. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of set as default. After going to the option of set as default, you have to check whether open supported links has been opened or not. After that, you have to go back and you have to scroll down and you have to tap on the option of app details and store. After you tap on the option of app details and store, your very WhatsApp will be opened in the Play Store. And after that, if your WhatsApp is not updated, you have to update your WhatsApp. And if not, you can open your WhatsApp and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.